What did you say?
Joel.
That's your name?
Yes. Joe-L-E. Joe-L-E. Joe-L-E is Joel. What's your name, Bo?
Oh, I like that song. Did you just make that up?
Yes.
What are you reading?
A book.
What is it about?
I don't know. It's called Save the Day.
Save the Day?
Yes.
Okay, read it to me.
Save the day. One day, she saved the day, and she ran, and she saved the day out, and she went to the doctor. Oh man, I don't see it. Do you like the story?
That was it?
That's one of my,
Can you read it one more time?
yes. It's called Save the Day.
Save the Day. Show the pictures.
One night she was at one night. And she was going to the doctor. The end. I will do it again. It's called Save the Day. Here's Billy. Oh, yeah. It's called Save the Day. The end. Teresa, that's a fun story.
That was a fun story. I liked it. Thank you for reading it to me.
You're welcome.
See you later.
See you later.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.